Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your GMC Acadia trunk from the inside. This is a crucial skill for emergencies or when power is lost. To begin, you will need to fold down the rear seats to gain full access to the cargo area. Once inside, look for a small, round plastic access cap located on the interior panel of the liftgate itself. This cap covers the manual release mechanism. Now, let's find that manual release. The small plastic access cap is typically located towards the center bottom of the liftgate's interior panel. You can usually pry it off with your fingernail or a small flat tool. Once removed, you will expose a small lever or a metal piece inside the opening. This is the mechanical override for the liftgate latch, essential for opening it without electrical power. To activate the release, you will need a flathead screwdriver. Carefully insert the tip of the screwdriver into the access hole. You will then need to gently push the internal lever or metal piece. Depending on your Acadia model, this might involve pushing it to the right or directly forward. A firm but gentle push will cause the liftgate's locking mechanism to unlatch, allowing it to be opened manually. With the liftgate unlatched, you can now push it outwards to open it completely. Always ensure that the area directly behind your vehicle is clear of any obstructions or people before opening the liftgate. To close the liftgate, simply pull it down firmly until you hear it click and latch securely into place. This ensures your cargo is safe and the liftgate remains closed during travel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.